The biggest thing that's going to stop you from creating video content is yourself. It's your confidence and how you talk on camera, how you feel confident about yourself. I'll be honest, the first few videos you're going to make, you're going to hate. The first 10, you're probably going to think they're awful. But the 11th one, you might like, and the 12th one, you might feel brave enough to show someone. By video 15, video 20, you'll be posting confidently. But it takes time. You have to be confident and feel confident in yourself. And the simplest ways to do this, to feel confident, is talk about things that you know. Talk about things that you're passionate about. Talk about things that actually make you smile. It takes time to be confident when it comes to filming video content. So just be nice to yourself and just keep practicing. The more you make, the more confident you feel. So make some more video content and you'll feel better about what you see. One of the biggest things to knock your confidence is actually watching your videos back, because the first thing you'll say is, I don't sound like that and I don't look like that. Unfortunately, yes, you do look like that and that's how you sound. But don't worry about that. That's not the focus and that's not the main point of these videos. It's your message, it's who you are as a person that your audience buys into. So take your time, be your authentic self and just be confident and trust in yourself that you are making amazing video content. If you're liking this video series, make sure you head across to our channel to see some more videos like this.